Okay, so for this week in computer-aided drafting, we have our topic auxiliary. So, ano po ba ang meaning ng auxiliary? So, when we say auxiliary view, it is an orthographic view taken in such manner that the lines of sight are not parallel to the principal projection plane such as the frontal, horizontal, or profile. There are there are an infinite number of possible auxiliary views of any given object. So as you can see, this is an example wherein a surface appears as inclined in a principal view and as shown, the true size in the auxiliary view. Mapapansin nyo yung ating figure here which is a block with an inclined plane. Yung inclined plane natin dito, okay, so ito yung tatlong figures natin. We have the top view, the front view, and the another front view wherein meron tayong estimation that is perpendicular and perpendicular. So mapapansin nyo, this is not the true size because yung ating sukat dito is not parallel here. So here, mapapansin nyo, this is the auxiliary view. So here, this is another example wherein the height of the dimension of the top portion in all views projected from the top view. Ibig sabihin, from position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. So as you can see, they are both looking or parallel yung ating figure dito sa viewer natin. So therefore, the size or the size of this height is parallel to the viewer's perspective. Next is ano daw yung step natin ng pagdodraw ng auxiliary view. So number 1 is draw the line of sight perpendicular to the edge view of the inclined surface. Draw the H1 line parallel to its edge and draw the HF reference line between the top and front views. Okay, so step 2, project from the edge view of the inclined surface parallel to the line of sight. Transfer the H dimensions from the front to locate a line in the auxiliary view. Step 3, locate the other corners of the inclined surface by projecting to the auxiliary view and locating the points by transferring the height h from the front view. Then next natin, if you imagine that the object is inside a glass box, you can see the relationship of the auxiliary plane on which the true size view is projected and the horizontal projection plane. Fold the auxiliary plane into the horizontal projectile or projective plane by revolving it about the H1 fold line. The front and auxiliary views are drawn as partial views to avoid drawing its elliptical features, which are shown in the auxiliary view as true arcs. So this is an example of your auxiliary view. So mapapansin nyo, this is the true form. Ito yung tunay na itsura niya. Tapos ito yung ating top view, ating front view. Then ito pa yung isa wherein this is the ramp or yung inclined plane natin. So it must look like that the true size is proportional or parallel to the actual figure. So mapapansin nyo, ito po yung ating top view which is parallel. Ibig sabihin yung size nitong inclined plane na to is parallel to the size here ng inclined plane natin. So dapat parallel yung sukat natin dito and dito. So ano po ba yung ating important rules? So una is when concerning multi-view drawings is we need to draw enough views to accurately describe the design. So as much as possible, you need to complete pati mga dimensions natin, pati yung mga values, and yung paggamit natin ng iba't ibang symbols and yung lines natin. So in order for us to better describe yung design natin and to better understand by other drafters and engineers. This usually requires 2 or 3 of the regular views such as a front view, a top view, and a side view. So commonly pag nagpe-present talaga tayo ng design, so laging ang presentation natin is front, top, and side view. However, many designs have features located on inclined surfaces that are not parallel to the regular planes of projection. So to truly describe the feature, the true shape of the feature must be shown using an auxiliary view. So ang ating auxiliary view has a line of sight that is perpendicular to the inclined surface as viewed looking directly at the inclined surface. So an auxiliary view is a supplementary view that can be constructed from any of the regular views. So as you can see here, so in 2D drawings, ang ating auxiliary view contains slanted surfaces, not parallel to any of the normal 2D views. So unlike 3D views, yung ating surfaces or mga inclination, ramps, and slants is not parallel to the normal view. So an auxiliary 2D view is needed to show the surfaces through size and shape on an engineering drawing. All right, so that is the end of our topic for auxiliary view. So, sabi ko sa inyo, maiksi lang yung lesson natin for auxiliary view. So, ang mahalaga po is when you project 3D and 2D works or design, it is important for you to parallel or yung sukat ng slanted ramp natin or inclined plane is parallel to your drawing. So, hindi pwede na mas maliit yung drawing mo. So, kung ano yung actual size niya, is same din dapat sa drawing mo. So, ganon sa 3D view. While yung 2D view natin is also a replication or a manifestation ng object natin, but it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan parallel din po siya. Alright? So, that is the end of our topic for today.